Sha-Shib Group of Institutions presents exclusive dual course program with Aircraft Maintenance Engineering. Now it is possible to complete your AME license training with a graduation degree. Why you should choose Sha-Shib Group's dual course program? Time saving. Imagine completing AME training and B.Tech degree separately, which would take a total of 7 years. With Sha-Shib's dual course program, you can accomplish both courses in just 4 years, saving valuable time and accelerating your entry into the workforce. Diverse employment opportunities. By pursuing two courses simultaneously, you gain exposure to different industries, expanding your skill sets and knowledge. This diverse background opens up multiple career options both in India and abroad, allowing you to choose the path that aligns with your interests and aspirations. Dual course programs offered by Sha-Shib Group of Institutions. Aircraft Maintenance Engineering with B.Tech in Aeronautical. Aircraft Maintenance Engineering with B.Tech in Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering or Computer Engineering. Aircraft Maintenance Engineering with Bachelor of Science. Aircraft Maintenance Engineering with Bachelor of Business Administration. Aircraft Maintenance Engineering with Bachelor of Computer Application.
For more information and admissions, please feel free to contact us.